Good afternoon, folks. Rayleigh's Small Engines. We're working on a Toro push mower recycler, guaranteed to start by Kohler. Unless you leave it sitting up and get bad fuel in there, then it's not going to start now, is it? This video is going to be short. It is about all these linkages. So I'm going to show you an easy way to take them off and put them back on in the correct order so we don't mix them up. Okay? Bear with me, let me set this camera up. Alright, so once you've taken off the couple of bolts to take, or nuts to take off your air cleaner, you're going to need a T20 Torx. And what you're going to do, there's a screw here and one here. We're going to take both of these out. Okay, give me a second, customer pulling in, I'll be right back. Okay, where was I? Taking the screws out, weren't we? Okay, we're going to remove this little T20 screw. And if you happen to have a little stick magnet, these little things are very handy. I don't know about you, but I drop screws all the time. Then I have to call my wife, help, come find it. Pop that screw out. Now, this, what you'll do is, you've already got the fuel line off, slide the carburetor to you, and this, see how that works? And it'll pull out, just like that. Now that you're at this point, you'll open your throttle. Sometimes you can use your finger and push that spring up, or a pair of needle nose and pull the spring out. Then you're going to line this rod up, that's your throttle rod, set it down, carburetor slides right off. And to put it back on, take note of how we are. See how this piece looks in here? You're going to do that same reverse procedure to get it back on. Okay? So what I always like to do, I always hook up the spring first. Spring is in. Pull this throttle around. Pop it in, that's in. Then work this little guy back in place. It's a little clumsy. Put your two screws back in, you're done. You guys, give us a thumbs up if you like this. Click the subscribe button. Check out some of our other videos. We appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.